A very good morning to all of you again. Can you hear me? Am I audible to everyone? Okay, so you can see the screen now. Okay, done. Yes, sir. Okay, so this session number 7 clear. ओके अभी मॉर्निंग का लेक्चर कितने लोगों ने लिया था? मॉर्निंग का लेक्चर कितने लोगों ने अटेंड किया था? दो मिनट रुक, मैं वही पूछने वाला हूँ ना, जिसने मॉर्निंग का लेक्चर लिया है ना, पहले तो उसको लेक्चर समझ में आएगा। आप जो कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आई हैव रिपीटेड ऑल द थिंग्स नाउ फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग लेक्चर। आप जिस लोग मॉर्निंग लेक्चर से अटेंड किया था, आई हैव वेस्टेड माय 1 आवर एंड आई हैव रिपीटेड ऑल द कंटेंट्स व्हाटएवर वी हैव टॉट बिफोर। सो कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, सामने आपका है ना भाई प्रेम भाई, कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, आंसर देना, मतलब आपने अटेंड किया है, नो डाउट। क्लियर? आने लगी आवाज तेरे से अब, है ना? दिक्कत तो ये है ना कि जब यहाँ बात होती है, अभी तो एसी की आवाज आ रही थी, अभी एसी नहीं चालू, कौन चलाता है? जो क्वेश्चन की बात करते तो आवाज आने लगती है, पता है? दैट्स आई एम सेइंग कि वो नहीं आनी चाहिए ना, कि जब मैं पूछे स्टार्ट करता तो तुम्हें when you are applying for any interview, at that time you can't answer correctly, that time you will be kicked out. So that I don't want. ना मैं करता हूँ, ना मुझे पसंद है. So whatever मेरे नॉलेज में कोई चीज होगी तो बताऊंगा, नहीं होगी I will frankly speak to you कि भाई नहीं आता, I will learn and I will tell you. सीखने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं, उम्र उसकी कोई होती नहीं है, that's simple thing. बट इसलिए आपको क्लियर पहले क्लियर बोल दिया कि इधर उधर की बातें करनी हो तो अभी एट दैट स्ट्रिक्ट टाइम मत करना, 2 बजे के बाद मिलो, आराम से बात करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आई एम फ्री. क्लियर? For 1 hour if you have any discussion other than study, please don't do. बाकी एसी यार तुम्हें पता है, मैं यहाँ पे एसी ऑपरेटर तो हूँ नहीं, so I don't know खराब है कि सही है. I am not HOD, I am not such department, so I can't order to anyone कि please switch on the AC. If you have any problem, then you can talk to Jadea sir. Already line is on, recording is on. You can do Jadea sir, you can talk to Amit sir. They can keep on or off, I don't know. Clear, Sahib? Friends have any question? Thank you. So now, so the thing is that. No, that's only the recording is on. I can never switch off, like मतलब mute नहीं करता कभी भी. रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन रहती है, सो दैट्स आई एम सेइंग कि जो भी आपको दिक्कत हो, यू कैन डिस्कस टू दैट पर्सन, दे हैव द हाई अथॉरिटी एंड दे हैव द डिसीजन टेकिंग अथॉरिटी, सो दे कैन टेक कि स्विच ऑन करना है आपको, आई डोंट नो। मेरा काम एक है ना, क्लास में आना है, पढ़ाना है, अच्छे से पढ़ाना है, वो मुझे पता है, दैट आई एम डूइंग माय बेस्ट, आई एम ट्राइंग, आई डोंट नो दैट आई एम डूइंग और नॉट, आई एम नॉट क्लियर। सो मॉर्निंग के लेक्चर को मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, क्लियर। कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, रिपीट नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आई रिपीटेड 2 times at least. In morning we have discussed already what's going on now. First of all, I know क्योंकि many of you have remedial exams, so काफी लोगों ने लेक्चर कैसे लिया मुझे ही पता है, आपको भी पता है। सिंपल लॉजिक बोल देता हूँ कि दिस इज द यूनिट सेकेंड, सिंगल फेस इंडक्शन मोटर, जो मैंने पहले लेक्चर से पहले टॉपिक से स्टार्ट किए। उससे पहले लेक्चर लिए थे मैंने, 3 लेक्चर लिए थे, एंड आई हैव टेकन 3 लेक्चर दैट इज कॉल्ड only for the remaining portion of unit first where Pavak sir have left. Clear? तो 3 लेक्चर मैंने वो टॉपिक कवर किए थे, जो लास्ट के 3 टॉपिक थे वो 3 लेक्चर में कवर किए थे फॉर द फर्स्ट यूनिट। सेकंड यूनिट आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द टॉपिक 1 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्लियर। इन टॉपिक 1 वी हैव डिस्कस्ड मेनी थिंग्स। इन मॉर्निंग आई हैव रिपीटेड दैट नंबर 1 कंस्ट्रक्शनल फीचर्स ऑफ सिंगल वेव इंडक्शन मोटर, नंबर 2 we have discussed the construction in terms of stator and rotor of single wave induction motor and why this is called cage rotor, we have also discussed today. After that we have discussed that single wave induction motor is not self starting, so what is the reason behind that, we have discussed. After that we have discussed double field revolving theory. After that we have discussed different types of starting methods to start single wave induction motor. Then we have started the additional method that is called number 1 split phase induction motor. इतना हो चुका है till morning, am I right? Clear? Meanwhile we have discussed many things aside the course, that is called what is the phi f, what is the phi b, what is the equivalent circuit diagram of transformer, जो इस कोर्स में नहीं था, we have discussed, and why the induction motor have named induction motor. Clear? Also we have discussed this topic, इसका नाम induction motor ही क्यों पड़ा, why we are using this induction word, so that we have discussed in the morning session. Clear? So now we are going further, that just we are going so this is a slide 1. Already I said in the morning that today after this lecture I will give you syllabus also, the mid-sem syllabus, and deliver all slides whatever we have with me. Clear? तो आपको शेयर कर दूंगा. So this is the slide 1, we can say page number 1 of the slide. Clear? यहाँ से start किया था, it's unit number 2. We have done all the things yesterday and as well today also. ठीक है? So I'm just skipping the topics now and we are going on the last topic we have covered. So we have started from here in the morning, clear, and we have started the first, that is split phase motor. Already I have discussed that why it is called split phase. Anyone person? बोलो भाई, बेटा वहां पे आना और बोर्ड रो है मेरे केबिन में और मार्कर लेके आओ फास्ट। हाँ बोलो भाई। Dividend of current. Anyone more? Why this is called split phase? And one more thing I want to add here. Split phase or any single phase induction motor, that is called two phase motors. Why this is called two phase motor? Why it is called two phase motor? Samik, any idea? Just wait. वो बोलना चाह रहे इसलिए बोलने दो। एक खास बात और मैं बोलूंगा, हिंदी में बोलूंगा, इंग्लिश में बोलूंगा। भाई मेरे लेक्चर में आंसर देने के लिए सोचना मत यार, क्योंकि गलत सही जो माइंड में आंसर देना। क्लियर? कभी कभी मैं भी गलत बोल सकता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है। सो दैट्स आई एम सेइंग प्लीज ट्राई टू स्पीक रॉन्ग और राइट, नेवर डिसाइड। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बोलना आना चाहिए, उसका गलत सही आप डिसाइड मत करो। आप डिसाइड करने बैठोगे तो कभी आंसर नहीं दे पाओगे, चाहे इंटरव्यू हो चाहे कहीं भी हो। एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू स्पीक इन कॉन्फिडेंस। पहले वो बोलना सीख लो कि हमें बोलना है। सेकेंड, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज नहीं पढ़ा रहा, सो देयर इज नो सच डिस्कशन कि इंग्लिश में ही हो आप आंसर, तो ऐसा भी नहीं है, गुजराती चलेगा, हिंदी चलेगा। बट आई वांट ओनली अ हेल्दी डिस्कशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ आंसर। इट मे बी राइट, इट मे बी रॉन्ग, आई डोंट केयर फॉर दैट। क्लियर टू एवरीवन? बहुत दिन मतलब बहुत प्यार से भाई सबको समझा दिया, बहुत समझानी चाहिए, क्योंकि आपका लेक्चर अभी स्टार्ट किया है, आगे कंटिन्यू रहेगा। एक बार जब सेमेस्टर 5th में आ गया, 6th 7th में आएंगे, कंटिन्यू रहेगा, दैट्स कंफर्म। मशीन डिजाइन आता रहूंगा। क्लियर? सो दैट्स आई एम सेइंग, एक बार नेचर ऑफ स्टडी क्या वो समझ में आना चाहिए, दैट्स बेटर। सो आप लोग आंसर देना स्टार्ट करो। तो काफी लोग मॉर्निंग में थे, जो मॉर्निंग में नहीं थे उनके लिए पूछता हूँ कि टू फेज का मतलब क्या होता है। आपने सिंगल फेज पढ़ा है, 3 फेज पढ़ा है, मैं बोलता हूँ 2 फेज होता है। सिंगल फेज इंडक्शन मोटर का जो बिहेवियर है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड स्प्लिट फेज और सेडेड पोल। उन सब में हम एक वर्ड यूज करते हैं टू फेज मोटर। व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड टू फेज मोटर? उससे पहले हाँ बोलो टू करंट डिफरेंस होते हैं। ओके हाँ बोलो प्रेम भाई। एनीथिंग एल्स? अच्छा एक और वन मोर क्वेश्चन टू एवरीवन, दैट How many types of winding in single induction motor? How many types of winding in single phase induction motor? 2. कौन सी? मैन बाइंडिंग और स्टार्टिंग बाइंडिंग. मैंने आपको हर लेक्चर में कुछ की पॉइंट दिए हैं. आई एम गिविंग ऑलवेज सम की पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर. क्लियर? कीप इन माइंड. आप पूरे लेक्चर में कभी कुछ मत लिखना, बट व्हाटएवर आई एम सेइंग द की पॉइंट दैट प्लीज नोट डाउन. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग सो? बिकॉज की पॉइंट जो आपके उसमें क्या होता है, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जीटीयू में टाइम पे हमें रिवीजन करना होता है. क्लियर? जीटीयू में आप लिखते हो ना 1.5 पेज का, हम लोग की पॉइंट चेक करते हैं. क्लियर? तो प्लीज कीप इन माइंड आपके की पॉइंट और की नॉलेज मस्ट बी क्लियर. वो सही होना चाहिए, बाकी तो आसपास लिख देते हो आप. That I know and you know also. So key point जो बोलता हूँ, please keep in mind that must be correct or right. Clear? So first of all, that already I said in morning, single induction motor have 2 types of winding. That number 1, auxiliary winding, that is also called as starting winding, that is also called as running winding. Not running winding, that I have said in morning something that is called main winding or running winding. Main winding or running winding, that is called one type of winding. Second, auxiliary or starting winding. Clear? So in morning we have given 2 points. Now what is it called two-phase motor? First of all, I am making a clear concept to everyone. What is the meaning of phase? First of all, phase का मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत बेसिक पे जा रहा हूँ. डिप्लोमा समझ लो चाहे डिग्री समझ लो. डिप्लोमा में एक सब्जेक्ट आता था डीसी सर्किट, थर्ड सेम में आता था. फिर एक एसी सर्किट आता था, दैट आई नो. और जब कोई एसी सर्किट पढ़ाता है तो एक वर्ड आता था फेज. उसको गुजराती में क्या बोलते हैं दैट आई डोंट नो. क्लियर? सो फेज का मतलब क्या एक्चुअली? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फेज एंड फेज डिफरेंस? बहुत लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फेज एंड फेज डिफरेंस? बेसिक आंसर चाहिए मेरे को, बहुत हाई फाई बात नहीं चाहिए. Spelling that is called PHASE, not FACE, please. So now tell me, एक फेस वैल्यू होता है जिसको बोलते हैं, स्टैटिक्स में आता है. स्टैटिक्स में इसको बोलते हैं, अगर एक अंकगणित आता है तो उसमें आता है फेस वैल्यू, फेस समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट आई एम सेइंग इट PHASE, फेस वैल्यू और फेस एंगल और फेस डिफरेंस 3 चीजें होती हैं. Every alternating quantity or any quantity which is alternating in nature, they have 3 value always. One is called phase value, second is called phase difference, sorry, phase angle, and third is called phase difference. Any alternating quantity, भाई चाय पिएगा? पक्का नहीं? नहीं पिएगा तो भाई सोता रहे, मतलब जगता रहे भाई, प्लीज, है ना, सोना नहीं है. ठीक है? आई नो, अंडरस्टैंड. थोड़ा सा घर पे रह के आपको काफी आदत पड़ गई, बट प्लीज ट्राई टू वेक अप हियर. क्लियर? Always I'll always take a lecture with full energy, so please you can keep it on. Waking up तो अच्छा रहेगा. So what I'm trying to say, there is 3 types of value that is called phase value, phase angle, and phase difference. Phase angle and phase value that consist of one quantity. But when I'm talking about the phase difference, that must consist at least 2 quantity. मैं आपको एक बहुत नंबर क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. If I'm saying give me a difference of 3 and 5, क्या आंसर दोगे? Give me a difference of 3 and 5. Answer क्या आएगा? 2. Now, if I'm asking, give me a difference of 3. Now answer. Answer ही नहीं होगा भाई ना. Difference मतलब between 2. Clear? So phase value and phase angle always exist with one quantity. Clear? While phase difference always exists with 2 quantity. Clear? And that's the main concept of this 2-phase motor is here. Why? Because we are having 2 winding. Clear? Because we are having 2 winding, that is called number 1 winding, that is called starting winding, and number 2 that is called main winding. Already I said starting winding, that winding is used at the time of starting only. Clear? And second thing, this winding connected with a switch here. That switch लगा होगा. इसको बोलते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रीफ्यूगल स्विच और फ्यूज, व्हाटएवर यू कैन कॉल. सेंट्रीफ्यूगल स्विच और फ्यूज. ये स्विच क्या करेगा? इस वाइंडिंग को डिस्कनेक्ट कर देगा. एनीवन कैन टेल मी कब डिस्कनेक्ट करेगा? व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीड. पढ़ा होगा आपने, मॉडल में लिखा था ns minus nr upon ns. सबने पढ़ा ये वर्ड. that is very popular to everyone. Clear? So it means ns minus nr upon ns. Okay, so ns that is called rated speed, or we can say synchronous speed, and another is called rotor speed, or we can say rotational speed of the rotor, or second magnetic speed. Actually these are called as speed of rotating flux. अब ध्यान से देखिए पॉइंट. डीसी में यहाँ पर लिखा है 120 f/p. ध्यान बोलते हैं डीसी मशीन की फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 होती है. अगर डीसी फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 होती है तो वायर की एक्चुअल 50 हर्ट्ज, because this is alternating frequency of rotating flux. Clear? Are you getting my point? क्लियर हो रहा है भाई? ओके, हाँ या ना, क्लियर हो रहा है? ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड ns minus nr, क्लियर? तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉर दिस स्पीड, एक्चुअली हमें बस nr चाहिए, वही मेन चीज था। I want only and only nr, clear? But in the case of single phase induction motor, it is not self-starting. Why? Because the main flux is divided in two parts, that is called phi f and phi b, and that's why developed torque, that is called tau f and tau v, clear? They are also in opposite direction to each other, equal and opposite. So what is the main concept? Net torque is zero. We have discussed in the morning. So that's why we have to give some additional flux. क्लियर? हमने क्या बोला मॉर्निंग में कि अपने पास तीन फ्लक्स थे, एक था phi f, इसके दो पार्ट थे phi f और दूसरा था phi b. Phi f and phi b equal and opposite to each other. That's why the developed torque tau f and tau v equal and opposite to each other. That's why net torque T equal to 0. And that's the basic concept. That's why machine is not self-starting. Clear? One more concept is there, that the rotation of phi f is always in direction of phi f, or we can say phi f, that is called rotation of forward flux, is always in the direction of rotation of main flux. Clear? अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये दोनों इक्वल इक्वल थे, इसलिए अपने नेट टॉर्क क्या हुआ, नेट क्या हुआ, 0. So what we have to do? We have to increase this or this, anyone. Forward, right? क्योंकि भाई हमें आगे जाना है, यहाँ जाना है, पीछे पाइप के तरह खींच रहा है हमें. क्लियर? हम आगे कब पढ़ेंगे? सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है. When I can move forward, whenever your net force on this side will be large from this one. Yes or no? So what we are doing? We are adding some flux. Clear? But that flux must be in the direction of forward. That's the main. Clear? That flux must be in the direction of forward, so that we can create one flux here. That's called difference of flux. If difference will be here, then torque difference will be here, and that difference torque, or we can difference in torque, will run the rotor. Clear? And that's the work of starting winding. Clear to everyone? Anything else? You समझ नहीं आया हो? Yeah, please. Why this machine not self-starting? That we have to repeat. I have no problem, but my dear, that I have discussed many times, but again I am speaking, no problem. Actually, what we are doing, we are providing some supply in stator winding. We are providing supply in stator winding. Clear? Stator winding. And whenever stator winding, we are providing supply to stator winding, it is creating some flux. Clear? Whenever we are providing supply to stator winding, it is creating some flux, and that flux is revolving in two parts, phi f and phi b, because this is called double revolving field theory. Clear? And both, that is phi f and phi b, I have also given the slide too. Phi f and phi b both are equal and opposite. We can write phi f and phi b, phi 1m divided by 2. Why I'm saying for phi 1m? 1 means stator, already I'm sign morning. 2 means rotor. Clear? So phi m, that's called main flux. 1m means main flux of stator winding, which is linked to the rotor. Clear? Phi f and phi b both are equal and opposite. That's why net flux will be 0. If you want to see the diagram, don't worry. I just show to you. Just take, okay, I'll take only a few minutes that I can explain. Have you seen this diagram? Have you taken any lecture before? Just tell me, Frank. Have you taken? So have you just discussed in the morning too? Have you taken the morning lecture? No. That's why. And actually, that's happening again and again. कि मुझे बार-बार repeat क्यों करना पड़ा? That something is going on, because already we have discussed very well. But still, I am showing the diagram and the slides I'll give to you. This is the double field revolving theory. This you can say. That slide we'll discuss later. This slide is starting from here. And the question is starting from here. You can see this one, the key point. This is the key point, and I will start it from here, this one. You can see this one. This is the main point. Why single phase induction is not self-starting? Because this is the, according to this point, something is behind something theory that is called double field revolving theory that already I have discussed. Clear? So to understand that answer, you have to read first of all this one. First of all, I am providing the slide to you today and read there. If you have any problem, then I will go for that one. Clear? Sorry? Yeah, thank you. No, just try to understand. If you are not able to understand, I will repeat. Don't worry. I will repeat at least 10 times. Clear? So don't worry about that one. I can repeat 10 times until you are not getting. Okay. So we have discussed this topic. Okay. In the morning, we have said that split phase induction motor, because this is also called as two-phase motor. Why it is called two-phase? Because we are having two-phase difference between IM and IS. Clear? Already you can see. We can see here there are two types of winding. That is called one main winding. Second is called starting winding or auxiliary winding. If there are two windings, so the current will be divided into two parts. That is called IM and IS, and that's the both current that you can see here. The IM and IS, this is having some phase difference. Clear? And that phase difference, phase difference, that's why this is called two-phase motor. Clear? That is called two-phase motor, and the torque developed, this is called IM, that already I have given. That is called KIM IS sin alpha, where alpha is called phase difference between both current. Keep in mind. नहीं तो आपके माइंड में क्या होता है? What do you bring in mind? What is in your mind? The phase difference मतलब angle between voltage and current. आपने यही से पढ़ा अभी तक. Clear? But please change your something idea here. Why this is called two-phase motor? Because there are two currents. One current for starting winding, one current for main winding. That is called running winding. Clear? And both currents IM and IS have a phase difference of alpha, and the total torque is given by KIM IS sin alpha. That already I can show this. Clear? This is the main torque, and that torque can run the motor only. Clear? ये torque का काम क्या रहेगा? Only to start the motor. This torque is applicable only to start the motor. When your motor is started, already at that time your auxiliary winding or starting winding can be cut off. Clear? With the help of that switch or fuse, whatever. Now, so we have discussed this one also. Already I have said that whenever your motor reaches 75% of rated speed, at that time your winding will be cut off. So this already we have discussed in the morning. Now we are going for that capacitor star induction motor. Now what is the meaning capacitor star induction motor? So we have already said in the morning, we are adding one capacitor in series with the winding. Clear? What we are doing here, we are adding one capacitor in series. Clear? Or in parallel, that depends on the condition that you are going for the run, or you are improving the power factor, or you are decreasing the power factor. एक सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट मान लो कैपेसिटेंस कहीं भी लगाएंगे तो पावर फैक्टर इंप्रूव होता है. दैट यू मस्ट नो. यस और नो. व्हेनेवर वी आर इंसर्टिंग एनी कैपेसिटेंस टू एनी आरएल सर्किट, अगर आरसी पहले से ही है तो ऑलरेडी वो क्या कहलाएगा? इट्स कॉल्ड कैपेसिटिव सर्किट. व्हाट इज द इंडक्टिव सर्किट? आरएल. व्हेनेवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बाइंडिंग, कहीं भी बाइंडिंग हो, बाइंडिंग कोई भी हो, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बाइंडिंग मींस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आरएल सर्किट. क्लियर? If anyone says that binding is purely inductive circuit, please forget. Purely things or ideal things never exist in your study. हम पढ़ते हैं purely resistive, purely inductive, purely capacitive, but practical they are not happening so. होते नहीं. Clear? Purely resistive circuit, or we can say cos phi equal to 1 or phi equal to 90. That never happens. You can achieve cos phi equal to 0.9, 0.95, 0.98. What? पावर फैक्टर एग्जैक्ट 1 होना, that's not possible. Why? Because as of now we are using electronic device everywhere. आपको वो सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ. बिफोर आपको पता होगा, पहले आपका एक चौक आता था, चौक जिससे हम ट्यूबलाइट चालू करते थे. बहुत भारी होता था, वेटेज होता था. क्यों? उसके अंदर प्योर कॉपर कॉइल होती थी. क्लियर? इनसाइड दैट देयर इज प्योर कॉपर कॉइल. बट नाउ अगर आप खरीदने जाओगे ना, पूछेगा कि चौक है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चौक चाहिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चौक बोलते हैं उसको. Why? Because उसके अंदर we are using all control device. Control means voltage control, current control, thyristor control, everything that is called control device. Means we are talking about trike, thyristor, ठीक है, whatever you can use, but all are control device. They are controlling the voltage and current, whatever you require, in terms of starting or in terms of running. So due to that parameters, pure resistive, pure inductive, pure capacitive does not exist. So what we are taking care? We are taking care RL, RC or RLC. There are three types of circuit in the world, everywhere exist. Number 1, RL. Number 2, RC. Number 3, RLC. And whenever we are talking about the motor, especially for the motor means it's pure RL circuit until unless you are not inserting a capacitance with series or parallel. मॉर्निंग लेक्चर में कितनी नींद आती दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड. सो थोड़ा सा आप लोग चाय पी के आया करो जब भी मिले. लिटरली सीरियसली काफी लोगों को है ना आंखें सी बंद हो रही है. सो आई एम सेइंग थैंक यू टू एवरीवन. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स बट ट्राई टू स्पीक और ट्राई टू वेक अप समथिंग. इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि अभी क्या होता है, मैं वहां शांत बैठ जाओगे ना, मुझे सुनते रहोगे तो भाषण जैसा हो जाएगा. लेक्चर नहीं नेता जी भाषण होते हैं तो आपको नींद आने लगेगी. इसलिए जब भी आपको नींद आना स्टार्ट हो ना, मैं सिंपल एग्जाम्पल लेता हूँ. इफ आई एम टीचिंग और जब भी आपको नींद आना स्टार्ट हो, प्लीज स्टॉप मी, clear, and make any discussion but ready to study. It's a request. आपको कहीं भी कोई प्राण डाउट हो जाता है कुछ भी है, बट एक स्टडी से एक डिस्कशन स्टार्ट कर देना तो आपकी नींद चली जाएगी. सो इट्स बेटर, इससे बेटर कि आप सो जाओ, बेटर कि आप डिस्कशन करोगे तो क्या सबको कुछ फायदा होगा, नुकसान नहीं होगा. ठीक है. सो द थिंग इज दैट, सो ऑलरेडी आई हैव रिटन द स्लाइड. यू कैन सी a capital start motor is a single induction motor that we know very well that employ capacitor in the auxiliary winding circuit to produce a greater phase difference. Now, what is the meaning of this one? Greater phase difference. Why I am saying so this line? Because already I have given warning that whenever I am drawing vector diagram for RL circuit or whenever I am drawing a vector diagram for RLC circuit, you can see the change in phase angle. Everyone can see. Yes or no? How many can draw the vector diagram of RL circuit? That already I'm doing. I'm starting that topic. I have studied that topic. I didn't I will give the answer later. Clear that already I'm reading this topic now. So why this is capacitor run that I'm discussing now. So that first of all, before that topic, I want to know that how many can draw the vector diagram or phasor diagram for RL circuit and RLC circuit. You can draw. Just tell me. Draw on your notebook and show to me. Phasor diagram of RL circuit and RLC circuit. The persons who joined now in not morning, clear उनके बता देता हूँ. पहले ये तो कंफर्म है what is the meaning of RL circuit, what is the meaning of vector diagram. Are you getting my point? Clear. So simple terms we can say it's your I, it's VR, it's VL. In case of RL series circuit, clear. So this is your B basically. And whenever I am doing any, I am inserting series capacitance in that circuit तो क्या जाएगा RLC. क्लियर. और जैसे आप रेजिस्टेंस इंसर्ट करोगे नया वोल्टेज आएगा दैट इज कॉल्ड डीसी, वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटेंस. नाउ दिस इज आरएलसी. ये हटा दो क्या बन जाएगा आरएल. एंड इफ यू आर एडिंग दिस कैपेसिटेंस दैट वोल्टेज विल बी देयर, सो इट्स कॉल्ड डीसी. सो नाउ द रिजल्टेंट विल बी वीएल माइनस डीसी. क्लियर. और भी कैसे वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द पैसिव कंपोनेंट. कीप इन माइंड इंडक्टेंस एंड कैपेसिटेंस आर कॉल्ड passive component while resistance is called active component. There are three types of power: active power, reactive power, apparent power. Active power that is always sitting in the resistance only, that's it called I square R or VI cos phi. Inductive power that is called power across any inductive component across L or across C, that is called VI sin phi or I square XL. कुछ याद है थोड़ा बहुत? I square XL or I square XC, whatever. So now the thing is that you can see the change. Now this is your phi, first one case RL, and this is your phi, second case, that is called RLC. Clear. Now listen. Now tell me phi decreasing. Clear. If phi decreasing, cos phi will be improved or कैसा होगा? Cos phi मतलब improve होगा, कैसा होगा? Improve. Yes or no? Are you getting my point? So whenever I'm inserting any capacitance to any RL circuit, your power factor will improve because power factor is equal to cos phi. एंड पाई जितना स्मॉल होगा उतना पावर फैक्टर इंप्रूव होगा. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? पावर फैक्टर पीक दैट इज कॉल्ड cos phi. Wherever phi will be small, at that time cos phi will be high. The small value of phi can enlarge the power factor, that is called improvement of power factor. That's why I'm inserting here capacitance. First concept. Second concept, voltage and capacitance or inductance both are called control device. That you know, both are called control device. Clear. While inductance is called current control and capacitance called voltage control. And second most parameter that is called, both are energy storage devices. Inductance, that is called half Li square, while capacitance, that is called done. प्रेम भाई बेसिक क्वेश्चन है भाई, ये जो भी बता रहा हूँ मैं, बहुत हाई फाई बात पढ़ाता भी नहीं हूँ, मुझे हाई फाई बात करना आती भी नहीं है, बेसिक पे जा रहा हूँ बिल्कुल। एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन इंडक्टर हाफ Li स्क्वायर, एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन कैपेसिटर, आगे बोलो प्रेम भाई। एनीवन? नो आंसर? एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन कैपेसिटर स्क्वायर, जस्ट वेट, your answer is right, but this time I am asking the persons who are attending offline. Anyone? Voltage control, current control, Li square, Cv square. C capacitance, B voltage control, so Cv square. Make a concept with a logic, and that's why मैंने repeat किया था पहले, उसके बाद पूछा मैंने क्या बोला, energy stored in inductor half Li square, energy stored in capacitor, L मतलब C, I मतलब V by voltage control. Clear? And the thing is that you have asked before key why how capacitor will help to run the motor, am I right? Now I'm giving the answer. So अभी got the basic concept to, अभी समझ में आ जाएगा मोटर कैसे रन करेगी, that this is a basic concept. पहले क्या आपको चाहिए, आपको क्या आना चाहिए था, first what is the phase value, what is phase angle, phase difference, that I think so everyone have got कि phase difference का मतलब क्या होता है, आइडिया लग गया, clear. Now second thing, what is the inductance, what is the capacitance, that you got. Third thing, how can, if you are adding any capacitance in the circuit, how it is improving power factor, that you got. With this diagram are you getting something, yes or no? ये डायग्राम आपको याद आ रहा है थोड़ा बहुत भी, are you getting this diagram, yes or no? Clear. So from this diagram you can see clearly, आपको दिख रहा है कि phi में छोटा हो गया, phi छोटा हो तो cos phi वैल्यू निकाल दो, कैल्शियम के हाथ में है, एक cos 30 ले लो, cos 20 ले लो, साथ साथ दिख जाएगा cos 20 की वैल्यू ज्यादा आएगी। क्लियर? आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? और ज्यादा नहीं मतलब पावर फैक्टर इंप्रूव हो गया, पावर फैक्टर इंप्रूव हो गया मतलब आपका एक्टिव पावर ज्यादा हो गया। नाउ से if cos phi improved means vi cos phi that is improved also, cos phi बढ़ेगा तो my dear actually sin phi कम होगा, yes or no? बहुत बेसिक पे जा रहा हूँ, मैथमेटिक्स बिल्कुल बेसिक है। cos phi बढ़ेगा तो sin phi कम होगा, and cos phi बढ़ेगा तो active part is also increasing, that is called man power column. Clear? Are you getting my point? Just wait, this time coming. Can you repeat what you are saying? I'm not increasing the value of capacitance. I'm increasing the value of pi. Why inserting the capacitance in series? And the question is that which amount, or we can say what value we can take for the capacitance, that depends on type of motor, rating of motor, voltage of motor, and current of motor. Clear? We are not declaring the value of capacitance now. We are declaring that pi will be improved if you are inserting any capacitance in the series to RL circuit. That's I'm teaching first of all. I'm not giving the exact value of capacitance to anyone now, because the value of capacitance we can't give as of now. Suppose a motor is 1 HP, for example, 1 HP motor, 0.5 HP motor, there are different types of motors. 1 HP, 1 horsepower, 0.5 horsepower. Can you add a single capacitance to each motor? No, I'm asking to you. Can you add same value for each type of motor? No. So I'm not declaring the value of capacitance. Please understand what I'm trying to speak here. I'm saying whenever I'm inserting any value of capacitance to the RL circuit, because winding means RL, already I said. Winding means RL circuit, clear? So if I'm inserting any capacitance in series with winding, मतलब क्या हुआ इसका? I'm adding one capacitance to RL circuit. And if you are adding one capacitance to RL circuit means your phi is improving, or we can say cos phi is improving. Clear? And if cos phi improving, what is the meaning cos phi is improving? What is the meaning of that? If I am saying phi decreasing, cos phi is improving. Are you getting this point? What is the meaning of that? That is called improvement of power factor. Clear? Now, on the other hand, if cos phi is improving, on the reverse hand, sin phi decreasing, of course, yes. That's very simple thing about here. Clear? Now, one more thing that already I said. In AC supply, we are studying that is called AC motor. And already you know, in AC supply or in AC analysis, we are three types of power we have. Three types of power. Can you give me the name of power? And apparent power. So what is the active power? That is called VI cos phi. Are you getting my point? If I'm improving cos phi, so active part of the power is increasing. Are you getting my point? Don't basic, that's very basic concept. If we are improving cos phi, that is before that is 0.7. Now when I inserted capacitance, it's now 0.85. So what we can say, at least 15% of the active part is improved. Yes or no? Clear? And that part, that stored energy will be stored in the capacitance and that will run the motor. Then I'll go the later. But first of all, these are some basic concept that related to EEE or your diploma studies. जो भी मैंने डिस्कशन किया, this is all basic. जो इसके लिए requirement होनी चाहिए, but आपको नहीं पता. I don't know. I've repeated the same. Clear to everyone now? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. And the charger is all of you can see the screen now. All of you can see the screen now.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Just stay here. Now listen. We take a part of this. You have to draw the circuit for RLC. This first of all, I'm going for only RLC. What you can see. Now the thing is that what I'm trying to speak. If I'm saying R is very small and L, that is called S is very small. R is very large and S is very small. What's going on? If you are going to exact vector diagram, at that time your diagram is like that. Vn is very less as compared to Vr. Yes or no? Now if I'm making resultant of this one, it's your V. Clear? This is your phi 1. Resistance very small, resistance very large, inductance very small. Now on the other hand side, R is very small, Xm is very large. So Vr is very small and Vn is very large. So I'm taking the short diagram again. On the same state, it's your Vr, but it's your Vn. Are you getting the point? So at that time, what is the resultant? B. It's your phi 2. Clear? So which one is larger? That's why I am trying to speak here. Have you got my point? Good. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any more doubt? So I'm just coming back on the topic now. So I'm going for the again that is called capacitor start motor. So capacitor start motor is single induction motor that you know very well that employ a capacitor in the starting winding. Keep in mind, capacitance is added to the starting winding. Never add any capacitance to running winding. वो क्या बन जाएगी? तो बन जाएगी CS and CR. There are 4 types of motor: split phase, capacitor start induction motor, and second capacitor start, capacitor run. That's called CSCR because they are in 2 capacitor, and this is disconnected after 75% of an hour speed. But this capacitor, second capacitor, is always inserted with the main winding, which is always improving the power factor again. Clear? Are you getting my point now? Clear? So that you can see what is the, yes please. That is CS, capacitance run, CSCR both. Why? Because that capacitor is always connected to both position. Clear? वो switch कर लेता है. और दैट्स बाय कि कभी आपका CS अगर कम हो जाता है, ठीक है, दैट सॉरी कैपेसिटेंस का बोलना, स्पीड कम हो जाती है, स्पीड कम होती है, तो हम CS हमेशा चेंज कर देते हैं, कैपेसिटेंस की वैल्यू हमेशा चेंज कर देते हैं. क्लियर? सो एंड देयर इज समथिंग कंफ्यूजन, मुझे भी थोड़ा डाउट है इसमें CSCR में, मैं तुम्हें कंफर्म नहीं बताऊंगा. इसका फैन का सीलिंग फैन, आई एम इवन नॉट श्योर, क्योंकि दैट्स अ वर्क ओनली फॉर स्टार्टिंग में ही काम करता है. कंडेंसर का वर्क केवल स्टार्टिंग में है. परफेक्ट, दैट इज ओनली CS. परफेक्ट, दैट इज ओनली CS. Because it is providing starting torque. How we get that condenser to provide some starting torque. Clear? So that is only CS, not CSCR. Clear? CSCR जहाँ तक मुझे याद है मिक्सर में लगाते हैं. That depends on the which type of motor you are running. Clear? So I will discuss more topic in this one. हाँ बोलो ना भाई बोलो. भाई मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं. क्या समझ पाए समझ पाओ वो चीज. बाकी भी आप बोल यार. एक सवाल है. अन्य भाई no, not possible. One capacitance, one amp out, and you solve. I don't know. I can see anywhere. मुझे पता नहीं है. कोई हिंदी बोलो हिंदी आती है. Starting torque. That I am sure, but I don't know that is CS and this is also running at the, this is also used as a rain time. अगर ये कैपेसिटेंस आपका rain time यूज कर रहे हो, it means that is CSCR. Clear? If that capacitance is used only for the starting of motor, it is CS simple. इतना समझ में आ जाए, क्लियर आपके माइंड में जाना चाहिए. Then I can discuss more on this topic. Clear? If this capacitance is used only for starting purpose, this is only CS. If the capacitance is used for the starting and after the starting at the running condition, it's CSCR. और कोई चेंज नहीं है मोटर्स में, सब में एक ही काम हो रहा है. We are including some additional flux that is called phi. वो क्या करेगा, उसमें एक नया टॉर्क क्रिएट करेगा, वो टॉर्क क्या करेगा, उस मोटर को रन करेगा. बस सब में काम यही है. बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट एक ही है, बट डिजाइन में अपैरेंट थोड़ा थोड़ा चेंज हो रहा है, माइनर चेंज हो रहा है. स्टार्टिंग टॉर्क से स्पीड समझा नहीं हो जाता ना. हाँ तो स्टार्टिंग टॉर्क के लिए ना वो, तो केवल भाई क्वेश्चन ये है कि इसके अंदर जो मोटर है वो CS है CSCR है. am I right? यही क्वेश्चन था ना. इसका आंसर मुझे एक्चुअली भी नहीं पता, जो चीज है फैक्ट है वो नहीं बोलूंगा. ठीक है, बट आई एम नॉट, मैंने क्या बोला भाई मुझे कंफर्म नहीं पता. आई विल डिस्कस लेटर. आप भी सर्च करो, मैं भी सर्च करूंगा. क्लियर? आई कैन गो फॉर गुड डिस्कशन. उसमें आपको ही सीखने मिलेगा. मान लो मुझे नहीं है तो मैं सीख जाऊंगा, क्या दिक्कत है. क्लियर? डन. तो now that already I said, clear, you can see in the slide, circuit produce and greater phase difference between the current in the main and auxiliary winding. इसका काम क्या रहेगा कि जो आपका फेज डिफरेंस है अल्फा, उसको थोड़ा एनलार्ज कर देगा. भाई लास्ट बस 1 मिनट और होगा, ज्यादा नहीं. क्लियर? इसमें क्या रहेगा आपका, जो आपका IM और IS के बीच एक अल्फा एंगल था. when you are inserting any capacitance at that time, that phase difference will be large, cos phi will be large. So that's why the name is suggests that is called capacitor to start only. Clear? The capacitor start motor has a cage rotor with a similar as the split phase. All of you, please write a roll number in the chat box. Write your roll number in the chat box, then you can leave. किसका लेक्चर इसके बाद? Power system 2. Okay, so any question from any side? Else I have to end the meeting now. Any question from anyone? Okay, so just I'm ending the meeting. Thanks to all of you.